So in Linux you will have a lot of operating system. Okay, this is the type. So why we use Linux for DevOps? What is the reason that we will be using the DevOps for Linux is it is available for free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. So you downloaded Ubuntu, you downloaded Fedora, you downloaded lot of versions, but nobody asked you money, right? Did anyone paid money for downloading Fedora?
No, sir.
Yeah, because that is free. Okay, if you want to download Windows or if you want to use Windows, you need to pay at least 2000 rupees or 1800 rupees for one installation. So that is why most of the servers or will be running in Linux only. It is freely available, and most of the cloud infrastructure, whatever we run it, it will be on Linux operating system only. Okay. So as a DevOps or AWS engineer, okay, you will spend most of your time working on Linux based system, whether it is EC2, EKS, ECS or Amazon Linux or Oracle Linux, OpenSUSE or SUSE, any OS, all are based on Linux operating system only. So that is why I told you to install the Fedora Linux. Okay. So you have flavors here. In Linux you will have multiple flavors. It is like a ice cream. So you have an ice cream. So those are flavors. So ice cream is your type of snack or food, okay? But you will have multiple flavors in that, okay? So its core, what is that? Core properties is ice only, okay? It will make you cool. So that will not change, but the flavor will get changed here. Okay, so you have first Ubuntu. Okay, you have Ubuntu, and then you have Amazon Linux. Okay, then you have RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then you have Rocky, Alma Linux, and Fedora. These are all coming from one root. Okay, so one mother or one father, you can say. So this is one clan. Okay, which is very used in enterprise type. Okay, so this is Ubuntu. This is Debian based, means this is type of a model. Okay, so this will be best used for DevOps work, and it is beginner friendly. Okay, and you have RHEL. It will be based on Amazon Linux is also based on this version only. Okay, RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux only. Okay, AWS common name will be Amazon Linux. Okay, so these type of OS also we will be using in Amazon Linux or Amazon web services. So these are all different versions. Okay, so then you have CentOS Stream. Okay, this is general purpose. Now it got retired now. Okay, so this is Debian. So this is one type of OS which is very stable. Okay, so this will be having minimal and stable system. Okay, minimal updates you have. So yesterday I told you Fedora you will be having cutting edge technology. Okay, so you have lot of OS in market. You have, okay. I will show you one website. Okay, where you can see it. You just type DistroWatch. Okay, distrowatch.com. So once you type it, you can see it here, top 100 operating systems that are available in the market now. Okay, So if you want to see one type of operating system, let's say you want to run it on you want to do some old computers. So you have old computers, you want to run it. Okay. So these are all the operating system you have: MX Linux, Antex, Q4OS, Puppy Linux. So these are all the type of OSs that you can run. So you have 32 small OS which will run on old computers. Then you have, let's say you want to run a mobile operating system. So you want to do some testing. Okay, you have 10 operating system. You have Pure OS, Mervina, Post Market OS, Iod OS. All these are related to mobile. Okay, so I will take it for desktop. So instead of Windows, what else can you install? Okay, let me show you what will be the alternative for a desktop. Okay, maybe you would have not used it. Okay, you have Cache OS. Okay, Linux Mint, MX Linux. These are all the OSs that are top for desktop. Okay, you have Fedora also here. Okay, at the 7th, and the 9th place you have Ubuntu, which is for desktop. So top one, if you want to use instead of Windows, you can take this Cache OS. Okay, so you can use that. So this is about the operating systems. Okay, so which are available in the market, which are completely free. Okay, so you are having it multiple versions. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can use those type of operating system. So for our DevOps, you can either use Ubuntu, or you can use Fedora, or you can use Debian also. Okay, so now this is the part of Linux now. So here you will have terminal where you can click on the terminal. Okay, sign in, leave. Okay, so now I got it here. So now you can type cat, same command here. So what was the command? Cat. So cat means you want to read the file. So that is why you will put the command cat there. Okay, cat, then etc, then slash os release. So I just typed tab here, it will show. Okay, so now you can see this has been built on Ubuntu LTS 24.0.5. so version is code name Jammy. Okay, this is on the Debian. So this information you will get it once you type cat etc os release. So my version is Fedora. Okay, so I am using Fedora. Google is giving me Ubuntu. Okay, so that is your cat means it will show you the file. Okay, so you just let me know if you are doing this parallelly. So if you do practical, then only you will be able to understand it, or else if you just see it, you cannot get it. So just confirm me if you are connecting or doing this. Okay. So host name control, if you put this command, you will get all the host related information, this information. Okay. So free H means you get all these numbers. If you type free H, okay, then you will be able to see how much assigned memory available memory, all that. If you want to see the previous command, you just type up arrow on your keyboard. So you will get all that information. Okay. So now I am going to use the df-h. Okay. So what is my disk files here? Okay. So these are all my disk files that I have. We will see what this is slowly. Okay. lsblk list block. So how many devices I have connected? Okay. If you see it SDA, or if you see it this disk here, then I have attached it. Okay. One, I have attached the disk. Second disk. Okay. Third disk I have attached. Okay. So this is also one disk, but it is not a completely disk. Okay. This is ZRAM. This is virtual RAM. Okay. So however, how many disks you see, you will get that information. Okay. Let me show you. 1, 2 and 3 disks I have attached. How many hard drives you are able to see it here? 1, 2 and 3, and one more DVD drive. 1, 2 and 3. Present working directory. If I put PWD, it will show what is my present working directory. Okay. So what is this? PWD. So if I want to list all the files, ls-al or la, you can type any. Both are same. LA or AL. LS means list files. Okay, list me all the files. ls-a. List all the hidden files also. You show me the hidden also. So I will type just L. ls-l. Okay, show me all the list in the list manner. Okay, then all files. So that is how you will do it. Okay, so now you have it at your home directory. Okay. You're wasting time. So now you have here this symbol. Okay. So this symbol will call tilde or squiggle. Somebody will call it as swiggle, or wiggle also they will call. Twiddle also they will say that symbol. Okay. So I was taught as tilde. Okay. So I will call it as tilde only. Okay. So I will type cd / here. So this is my root. Okay. This is my root. Okay. So if I type / on anywhere, I will be coming to the root directory. Okay. Root directory I will not have permissions. So I will have permissions only to my home directory. Okay. So home directory, if I type this, I am at home. See, I will type present working directory. This is my home. Okay. So here I can create files, all I can do. Okay. mkdir, make directory. Okay. So I will create now here directory 3. Okay. So I can list ls. Okay. You can see directory 3 here. Okay. So this is coming with the alphabetical order. Okay. What I will do, mkdir, zdir. Okay. I will create a directory with the name z directory. Okay. So now I am listing ls. Okay. So now you see it here. So I created a file directory called Z directory. This is like a folder. So like how you create in Windows, you create directories, right? So here you will be creating it with mkdir command. ZDIR 00. Okay. So now if you want to list, you can see. Now you see. So we created a directory here. Okay. So now if you want to go inside, you will just type cd ZDIR 00. So where you want to go, you will just type that directory. So then you will go that inside that directory. So now you will type where are you? Okay, it is pwd. So it will give you the present working directory. Okay. So now if you want to come out, you need to type cd dot dot. So you are coming out. Okay. So now you are at tilde, means you are home directory. Okay. Now you are coming out. So you are in home directory. So you came out. Okay. Then you are at this. Okay. So you are navigating through all these directories. Okay. So you are navigating through all the directories here. Okay. So now I am creating a nested directory. Okay. mkdir p. Okay. So I am creating a ZDIR 0. It is not present. Then I am creating one more directory 02. Okay. So here I am not getting permission here. See, you don't have here permission. You go to your home directory and create that. So now I am going back to my home directory. Now I am creating it. So then I am able to create it here. This is how you are going to create a directories here. So if you want to see, you will type ls. If you want to go inside a directory, then you will go inside a directory. Then you type ls. Okay. So there are no files here. cd double dot. You came outside. Then you are going inside ZDIR. Okay. 01. Okay. Then you are typing ls. So now you have created one more directory here. dir 02. Okay. This is how you will be creating files and directories. Okay. So now you want to see the structure, all the structure of this directory. I will type tree command. Okay. Tree will show me all the directories, how they are located, how they are created. So I will come back here. I will type what is, you see it here. We created two directories here, ZDIR and DIR2. So this will give me the tree structure. Okay, no problem. I will go ahead. So you, with touch command, what you do? You do touch. Okay. You will create a file. Okay. File name dot txt. So now you have created a file name dot txt. ls. Okay. So where is this file name? So it will be file name dot txt. That will be automatically created here. You see it here. This is automatically created. So touch command will create a file. Okay. Touch. Okay. Z file name dot txt. Okay. So you created file. If you want to list, you will type ls. So you have here white color, okay, which will be for file, blue color or purple color, this will be for directory, okay. Dot, you have here green color, this will be for executable, okay. This will run, that is why its color is changed here, okay. So if you want to create a file, it will create a empty file here. So that is what the command says, okay. So now you have you want to copy that file, okay, from source and destination. Copy file, okay, copy file z file dot z file name to zdir, okay. So you are copying this to that directory, okay. So it created that, you copied that file to destination, okay. So now you want to copy all one by one files. Copy SQL 2020 fixed, okay, 01.js. So now this is your source, destination will be, you are copying here, okay, home with then zdir, okay. So you are copying from this location to that location, okay. So copy fishing deck, okay, to home, to this directory you are copying it, okay. Okay, so you copied one more file here. That is how you will be doing the copying process from one file to other, okay. So if you want to move the file, you will just type a mv command, so it will move that file, okay. So now I will move the file, okay, mv SQL 2005 underscore fixed 01, okay, to home slash directory then. So now this file will be moved to this location, okay. So you will not find this file now, it will be moved, this file will be moved. Now I will type ls. Now you won't see that file now, okay. This file is already moved now. So where is this file fixed 01? You don't have that file, okay. Now I will copy this hello.txt, okay. I will move that file. Move hello.txt to slash home slash uber slash zdir, okay. So I have moved it. You will not see that file now, hello.txt. This will be moved here in this directory. I am copying everything here. From here I am moving it, okay. Now you type ls. You don't see this hello.txt. You have hello.txt here. I moved that file. Now you are not seeing this file here, okay. So now I am going to move all starting with clean. So whatever is coming with clean, I am moving that. All these three files will be moved now, okay. Move clean, I will type asterisk, means whatever coming with that name, move everything. Don't look for any other name, okay. If it is starting with clean, you just move that to this directory. Okay. So all these files will be moved now. Okay. Now I will type ls. So you are not getting anything here with the name called clean. So all are moved here. You see, there is no C name with C now. That is how you will be moving with the files you are creating and you are doing. Let me see tree. Okay. Z directory 00. So you see all the files are moved here. Cleaned up CJS, cleaned up, clean up, hello.txt. So all these files, whatever we have moved, these are containing in this directory. If you type tree command, it will show like this. Okay. So if I type tree command here, tree, okay. So IAM presentation, okay. So it will show me all that files, whatever IAM has presentation. These many files that directory has. So it is very complex directory. I will show ls. Now we'll see what is there in ls tree. Now directory 3. Okay. So there is nothing in directory 3. Okay. Now I will type tree photos. So there is nothing in photos. So you can see what is present in that particular directory. Tree, I will type what is that? Project. Okay. You see it. Project is having 4 files and 1 directory. Okay. So that is how you will be navigating through all these files and file structure and directory structure. So we will see those things in the next class. In the war room, I want everyone to be doing this. Okay. So I will not be doing it here in the war room session. So you bring up your laptop, you share it, and you be doing it. If you want me to do that, then no problem, I will do and I will complete the course. No problem. Okay. So if you work on practicals, then only you will be able to learn. If you are just seeing it, you won't get the topics here. Only if you learn it, if you learn the Unix commands, then you will understand what is exactly expecting from the DevOps. So this is all your operations. So how your Linux. So most of the work will be in this prompt only for you. 99% or 95% you will be working with this type of command prompt in DevOps. So you will be working with all this black screen, black and white. Okay. So we'll see the rest of other commands, all the other activities. You see it here. In this you have editor, you have next. Then you have groups, permissions, your disk usage, process, then your networking, then taking backup, compression, all that, then your filters. Okay. Once this is done, so then you will get a fair idea about your Linux operating system. So that's it for today. We will do some other theoretical work tomorrow. So then we'll start some practical on war room session on Sunday. Okay.
Sir,